Today see about only legend solve mathematics sums. Following the sums: 5 minus 3 plus 3 multiplication 4 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to what? How to solve method? Then choose the correct answer for below side. Option A equal to 8, B for 7, C for 9, D for 10. So choose the correct answer. Solve the sum, then choose the correct answer. Then solve sum. How to solve? Following for. So now how to solve method for method. First for 5 minus 3 plus 3 multiplication 4 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to what? This method now solve. First for 5 minus 3, first row, then 3 and 2, second row, then 2. Okay, first for 5 minus 3 equal to what? 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Then plus 3 multiplication 4. 3 4s are 12. So 12 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to correct answer solve. Then 2 plus 1, 12 divided by 2. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then plus 12. 12 into 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2 6, 6 2s are 12. So 6. So correct answer for 3 plus 6 equal to what? 3 plus 6 equal to 9. 9 is the correct answer. So correct answer for 9. C is a correct answer. This is the method for legend solve sums for the mathematics sums. Any doubt, comment our channel.